Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I would love to show you what you can do with mulberry juice. That I made a video about the juice time before, so I would love to show you how you can use it. Now in Middle East countries, what we do is, I'll put the ice. We have a crushed ice we need. So I'm gonna fill this with the ice, crushed ice. It's like very, very, very soft, like slush they call. I don't know what do you call, but crushed ice, very fine. And then we'll put the juice. Now remember, this is a concentrated that we cook. We don't have to put a lot. You can do let's say that 1 cup or half a cup of the juice, 3/4 cup of water you can put, because it's really thick and concentrated. So we will do that, and then we're gonna add. Now when you give to your children hands, you can just give it plenty ice and some juice on it, and they can eat like that with the spoon. Otherwise, you can do this. You can put some water, and it will make it very, very nice cold. Everybody will love this juice. And next, what we have to do, we put pine nuts in it. Pine nuts, it gives very good taste. There you go, 3 teaspoons. And you'll offer your children, your guests, very, very refreshing summer drink and hot taste. They will love it. Everybody will love it. Because first of all, it's healthy, the mulberries. If you have it, you can always add some black on top, and you mix it with it, and you will enjoy it. Who doesn't like this kind of juice now? So it's so refreshing. You can eat with your guests, you can sit with your guests, and you will have a good time. And sometimes, just like I said, for the children again, you can put just the ice, which I need some more ice, but this is what I have now. And you can put again the pine nut, just like I did, with a little bit white and black berries, whatever berries you have, and very little juice you put, just to give the very nice color and a taste to your. Remember, like I said, it's concentrated. You don't have to put too much. The ice will melt, and they will enjoy it by eating fruits, cold, refreshing, and more fruits. So the kids, they will love to eat fruits with pine nuts. This is just like a fruit plate it is, and this is a drink it is. So those two you can offer to your children, to your guests in hot summertime. So now what I'm gonna show you over here, because when we did the juice, there was plenty pulp that I didn't squeeze all the water because I wanted to make it like as a jam. So now what you can use is, you can put anything on it, piece of cheese or peanut butter or regular butter. You can spread on your bread. This is organic ones that my son, he loves it. So you can put your peanut butter. Remember, in Middle East we eat plenty cheese and a marmalade. So what you will do is, let's take this spoon, and this is the pulp that I put it here, mulberry pulp. We don't throw that away because it has a lot of good health benefits in it. So we put this on a bread with the peanut butter, and this is the way you'll enjoy it. Or with a piece of cheese of bread on top of it, you put the marmalade, and then you put the cheese. And this is the way you will enjoy this beautiful mulberry juice and a jam. So check my videos, and I have the recipe over there to how to make the juice, and from there you can use whatever I'm showing you. So go check my videos, and I'm sure you're gonna love and enjoy it. And I want to thank you very, very much. And if you like it, please like and subscribe my channel. And I thank you, and I see you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.